Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Where are we traveling?
Right now we are headed to Chandigarh.
And currently we are at the T2 airport.
Yeah.
From Chandigarh, we are heading somewhere which is
Absolutely breathtaking.
what has Tyson.
We have Bhairavi. We have Valu who's dancing there.
Yeah. And then we
And
have
Rachel. And Kirk is lost again, like always.
There.
Always late. If you're curious to know about our flight charges, we pre-booked our flight tickets in the month of June, so that costed around 3,000 per person. And the airlines that we chose was Vistara. After reaching Chandigarh, we took a rickshaw to Zirakpur, which costed around 125 per person. We reached Chandigarh and now we are waiting for our bus to get to Kasol. It took us around 12 hours to reach Kasol from Zirakpur. We got into the bus at 1 a.m. and we reached there by 1 p.m. due to an accident. Hi! So we finally arrived at Kasol. Now we are headed to Parvati River to shoot some videos and look at this place. Decided to spend the night at The Smoke. That's one of the camps next to Parvati River, and they charged us 2,000 for 6 people in one room, so that's 333 per head. That's a really good deal. Look down. At this point we were just chilling and taking some pictures, after which हमें भूख लग गई, तो we went to the market to check on what options we have to eat. We chose Himalaya Dhaba. The food there was too good. The quantity, the quality, the price, everything was amazing. You should give it a try. We then started exploring the market. We didn't want to buy anything because we had a lot of luggage already. So we decided to just go and, देख लेते हैं क्या खरीदना है हमें लास्ट डे पे, so that we can carry it with us when we come back and so that our bags are not heavy when we are traveling throughout these 10 days. There are a lot of options at the market. You get all sort of things from trippy to basics, everything, and it's beautiful and affordable. You just need to bargain. Good morning. It's day 2 and we are headed to Chalal today. Super cold. Look at this. If you want to visit the Freedom Cafe, on the way you'll see these signs which say POP, that's POP, or Pirates of Parvati. You just have to follow the direction they lead you to, and that's how you will reach Freedom Cafe. That's it's a very easy road, you know. You just have to follow the path given. It took us about an hour to reach Freedom Cafe. After returning back from Chalal, we got back to our room and started packing to head on to our next destination. Before I start, I just wanted to highlight that throughout the video, I have not removed like videos where I'm talking as it towards the camera because it was really awkward. This is the first time I'm doing it and I couldn't speak. So that is the reason why you'll hear my voiceover mostly in the video, and maybe at the end of the video, I will summarize the whole day for you so that you understand and you get a gist of what we went through. Maybe in the video, I won't be able to explain it. So that is why I will make a separate video in the end so that I can explain everything to you. So our trip is basically planned for the first week of October, and it's really cold. I mean, for a Mumbaiker over there, it's you can't bear it, dude. यहाँ पे इतनी गर्मी होती है और वहाँ पे इतनी ठंडी है. It was like 12 degrees. Sometimes it dropped to 9 degrees. नहीं होता है कभी कभी. Like some of us couldn't bear it, some of us could bear it, but just carry warm clothes just a jacket maybe. Just carry it with you whenever you go. Also, I will be making a video soon on what we packed and how we packed for the trip. So stay tuned for that as well. So I forgot to mention the budget. So before we started traveling from Mumbai, we asked everyone to withdraw 10,000 because over there in Kasol there are no ATMs. There is one ATM in the market, in the main market, but again there is a long line sometimes, you know, for that. So it's better to keep 10,000 handy. And mind you, in 10,000 we completed our trip. So even less than that, you'll find out soon. But yeah, just keep 10,000 handy and everything will be easy for you. You won't even have to withdraw anything extra. Some places have Paytm, GPay, so that is also helpful. So you can use that whenever you can. Some villages don't have network, so you won't be able to use that, and that is when you will have to hand over the cash that you have to them. So just to summarize our day 1 and day 2, I'll give you a backstory first. We did not plan our trip, okay? We decided that we'll go there and we'll find everything ourselves. So we did not do any pre-bookings. Only the traveling, just like the flight tickets and the bus tickets, were pre-booked. Apart from that, nothing. And I'll tell you what, that was the best decision that we took, because it was way cheaper than what a planned trip would cost you. So I made an itinerary looking at the videos online. It gave me a breakup of everything. Also, I checked with all my friends as to where they want to visit. So based on the location, I could create it and I could check the budget. So it's just to compare everything to what, it just gives you an idea or a gist of what it actually is. It was way cheaper than what they said, or it was sometimes more. But I will still list the itinerary in the description so that you can refer to that and just get an idea of it. So beginning with day one, we headed to Kasol. We stayed at the Smoke. They charged us around 2,000 per person. 2,000 for a group. That is 333 per person. It was quite a good deal because we were not getting anything in a cheaper rate, and we told them to accommodate all of us in one room. So that was really good. After we reached Kasol, we headed to Parvati River, which is, most of the camps over there it's connected to the river. So it will be hardly a minute or two for you to walk and go there. You can explore the river. It's super cold, right next to the water. It's freezing cold. So just go there, explore the market, explore the river, enjoy, click some photos, come back, and then you can head on to the Kasol market. We did that. We then headed to the Kasol market. We went to the Kasol market. We were hungry. Most of the days we skipped on lunch. So we saved money on that because we were walking so much. It was really tiring and खाने का मन नहीं कर रहा था. बीच में Maggie we were eating. That's it. You'll find out about that in the later vlogs. But for now, we headed to Kasol. We chose to eat at Himalaya Dhaba. The food there was so filling, so cheap, and really good. So I think we spent around 300 per person, and even in 300, I think two people can share if your appetite is less, of course. But if you're a heavy eater, 300 is really good for you. Once we headed to Himalaya Dhaba, we went to the market. We were just exploring the market. We just wanted to see what all you get. We were comparing the price between one shop and another so that we can buy things in bulk. So we didn't shop anything, nothing, absolutely nothing. We headed back to our room. And I would suggest don't order anything from the room where you're staying because they will charge you a bomb. Go to the market. The market is cheap. You get everything, and hardly the distance from your camp to the market should be for around 5 minutes walking max. Nothing more than that. So it's really good. The market is cheap. You get momos. You get things like chips or drinks, whatever you want to have at MRP rates. So that is another plus point. Once we were done with that, the next day we decided to head on to Chalal. When we went to Chalal, right next to Himalaya Dhaba on the right hand side, there's a gully which leads you to the bridge. Once you head on to the bridge, you take a left, and the route, it's a straight route. It will lead you to Freedom Cafe. When you get to the end, nearing the Freedom Cafe, it's really complicated. It's a bit difficult. Just ask someone. The people in Kasol and Chalal were really, really good. You can speak to them. You can ask them for help. They will help you. They'll do everything for you. So just be nice and kind to them, and they will be the same with you. Also, just to pinpoint, in Kasol, please wear your mask. There are cops who catch you and they charge you 1,000 as a fine. So always keep your masks on. Once we headed to Chalal, that is Freedom Cafe. The food at Freedom Cafe was good, not that great. The chicken cheese sandwich or something like that was really good. Apart from that, everything was okay-ish. The price again was good. 300 per person again. That's for breakfast. And again, we then headed back. From there, we had hot chocolate and all of that. That is the reason why it came around 300 per person. Once we came back from Chalal, we headed to our room and we started packing to move on to the next destination. So you have to stay tuned to check on where we headed next, the price, the accommodation, everything. I will share every little detail that you want me to share. Also comment down so that I can, maybe if I missed out on something, I can highlight that in the next video for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Also stay tuned for our new adventure. Bye.